Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to change your sales tax rates. So if you go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and you go to your menu here at the top left, like a little hamburger, and you go down to location setup. So there's a couple different places to change your taxes. So unable to determine which one of those two you need to change, you need to go to Settings and then App Settings. And then you need to scroll down to where it says Room Level Taxes. If this is unchecked, let me show you where to go. That's unchecked, you go to the menu, you go to Account menu, and then you go down to Taxes. You select your tax that you want to edit, and then you change the default amount. Make sure you hit Save to save the changes. Make sure you get your Save Successful box to pop up, and then close. And then publish your changes. Now if we go back to Location Setup and Settings and App Settings, and if you see that this option here for room level taxes is checked, that means that your taxes are controlled at the room level instead of at the system level. I'm going to hit Save on this. So now if I go to Location Setup, which we're in, and then go to Rooms, then we just need to select a room here. So let's go to To Go. And then it's going to be almost all the way down here at the bottom is the taxes field. So you should already have one in here at this rate. I'm going to go in and add one here because I didn't have one in here. So you should already see something like this, and then all you have to do is edit the tax rate here at the first field. Then make sure you save it. So there, it should look like that. And then make sure you publish changes. And that's all there is to it. Now you're going to have to do that for each room. So be aware of that. But that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.